Hello guys, today I will show you how to create fake USA WhatsApp account. Open VPN and connect server to USA. Open this app link in description. Click Sign In, and sign in with your fresh USA Gmail account. Account has been successfully created, and also I got virtual number. You can also check my number. Let's put this number on WhatsApp. Let's check OTP receive or not. I receive OTP without any error. My WhatsApp account has been successfully created. Join my Telegram channel for more tricks. If you face any error, then contact me on Telegram. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, my friends. Many more videos are coming soon.